To set corner action for top left, to substitute accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top left. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on offset next to accessibility button to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Now you can substitute the accessibility button function to let you open up all the accessibility shortcuts that you have added before by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the top left corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.